Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to English Boost Hub.
Today, we're talking about something that stops many English learners.
That's right, Lucy.
It's called waiting.
Lucy, why do people keep waiting before speaking English?
Because they think they need to know everything first.
Grammar,
Vocabulary.
perfect pronunciation.
But that's not how we learn a language.
Many people say, I'll start speaking next month,
Then next month becomes next year.
and nothing changes.
Exactly.
So, when is the best time to start speaking English?
Today.
Not tomorrow,
No.
not next Monday.
No.
Today is the best day.
Imagine you want to learn swimming.
Can you learn by only reading books?
Of course not.
You must enter the water.
English is the same.
Many learners say, I'll speak when I'm confident,
But confidence comes after speaking.
not before.
Practice first, confidence later.
Lucy, do I need to speak for 1 hour every day?
No.
30 minutes?
No.
Then how long?
Just 10 focused minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes.
Can 10 minutes really help?
Absolutely. 10 minutes every day becomes 70 minutes every week.
That's a lot of speaking practice. Lucy, what if I make mistakes?
Then you're learning.
Really?
Every mistake teaches you something new.
So mistakes are normal?
Yes. Very normal.
What should beginners say first?
Keep it simple.
Like what?
Hello. My name is. I'm learning English.
That's easy. Should I speak fast?
No.
Why not?
Because clear English is better than fast English.
Slow and clear.
Exactly.
Lucy, I always translate from my language.
Many learners do that.
Is it a problem?
Sometimes. Try to think in simple English instead.
One idea at a time. What is more important, motivation or habit?
Habit.
Why?
Because motivation changes. A habit stays with you.
So, what promise should our viewers make today?
A simple one. I will speak English for 10 minutes every day.
I like that promise.
We've talked about the biggest mistake.
Yes. Waiting never improves your English.
Practice does.
So, let's stop talking about the problem.
And let's start talking about the solution.
Great idea.
Our first speaking technique is very simple.
You don't need a teacher.
You don't need a classroom.
You don't even need a speaking partner.
All you need is yourself.
That sounds interesting.
Let me explain. Leo, many people say, I don't have anyone to practice with.
I hear that all the time.
But here's the good news.
You don't need a speaking partner to start.
Really?
Yes. Your first speaking partner can be yourself.
Talk to yourself every day.
It may feel a little strange at first.
That's completely normal.
The important thing is to speak out loud.
Speaking is a skill.
And every skill improves with practice.
Leo, why is talking to yourself so helpful?
Because it trains your brain to think in English.
And it trains your mouth to speak naturally.
Exactly.
The more you speak,
The more comfortable you become.
even simple sentences make a big difference.
Every sentence is one step forward.
Let's try it together.
Imagine you just woke up.
Say, good morning.
Today is a beautiful day.
I feel happy.
I'm ready to learn English.
That's it.
For simple sentences.
And you've already started practicing.
Lucy, what if someone laughs at me?
Don't worry about that.
Why?
Because you're practicing for yourself.
Not for other people.
Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner.
They also made mistakes.
The difference is, they never stopped practicing.
Do I need a special place to practice?
Not at all.
Then where should I practice?
In your bedroom.
In the kitchen.
In the living room.
Anywhere you feel comfortable.
Your home can become your English classroom.
And it doesn't cost anything.
Leo, what should we talk about if we don't know what to say?
That's a very common question.
The answer is simple.
Just look around you.
Everything you see can become your English lesson.
Your room.
Your desk.
Your phone.
Even the window beside you.
They all give you something to talk about.
Let's practice together.
I'm looking at my desk.
What can you say?
This is my desk.
There is a laptop on the desk.
There is a notebook next to it. My chair is very comfortable.
See? These are simple but useful sentences.
Lucy, do I need difficult words?
Not at all.
Really?
Simple English is powerful.
Short sentences are easier to remember.
And easier to speak.
Fluency starts with simple words.
Then it grows little by little.
Sometimes I stop because I forget a word.
That happens to everyone.
So what should I do?
Don't stop speaking.
Then,
use another simple word.
Keep the conversation moving.
Communication is more important than perfection.
When should I practice?
Choose the same time every day.
Why?
Because habits become easier when they're consistent.
Maybe every morning?
That's a great idea.
Or every evening after dinner?
The time doesn't matter.
The habit does.
Let's try a quick challenge.
I'm ready.
Speak about one object near you for 1 minute.
Only one object.
Yes.
That sounds easy.
Easy habits create big results.
Let's start today.
Leo, many learners feel shy when they speak English.
Yes, they don't feel confident.
I have a simple solution.
What is it?
Stand in front of a mirror.
A mirror?
Yes. Look at yourself and speak.
Why does that help?
Because you become comfortable seeing yourself speak English.
That's a great confidence-building exercise. What should I say in front of the mirror?
Start with a simple introduction.
Like this?
Yes, go ahead.
Hello. My name is Leo.
Very good.
I'm learning English every day.
Excellent.
I believe I can improve.
That's the right attitude.
Lucy, my pronunciation isn't perfect.
It doesn't have to be.
Really?
Of course.
Then what should I focus on?
Speak clearly.
Speak confidently.
And never be afraid to open your mouth.
Confidence grows every time you practice.
Leo, here's another helpful tip.
I'm listening.
Record your voice while speaking English.
Then listen to it.
Exactly.
I can hear my mistakes.
And you can also hear your improvement.
That's a smart way to learn. Sometimes I compare my English with others.
Many learners do that.
Is it helpful?
No.
Why not?
Because everyone learns at a different speed.
So I should compare myself with yesterday?
Exactly. That's the best comparison.
Lucy, what if my progress is slow?
Slow progress is still progress.
So I shouldn't give up?
Never.
One sentence today.
2 sentences tomorrow.
And little by little,
You'll become a confident English speaker.
every small step takes you closer to your goal.
Leo, do you know one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking?
What is it, Lucy?
Listen and repeat.
Repeat immediately?
Exactly.
Why is that helpful?
Because you learn pronunciation, rhythm, and natural expressions at the same time.
So, I should listen carefully first.
And then repeat exactly what you hear.
Is there a name for this technique?
Yes, it's called shadowing.
How does it work?
Listen to one short sentence.
Then repeat it without waiting too long.
Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation.
And even the speed.
Start slowly, then increase your speed little by little. Let's practice together.
I'm ready.
Today is a beautiful day.
Today is a beautiful day.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
Excellent.
That was easier than I expected. Should I repeat a sentence only once?
No.
How many times?
3 to 5 times is a good start.
Why repeat it?
Every repetition makes your pronunciation more natural.
Practice really makes a difference.
Exactly.
Sometimes I want quick results.
That's normal.
But learning takes time.
Yes, and that's okay.
I should enjoy the process.
Absolutely.
One day I'll notice my improvement.
And you'll be proud that you never gave up.
So, what's the most important lesson today?
Practice every day.
Speak out loud.
Listen and repeat.
Keep your sentences simple.
And never stop because of mistakes.
Every day is another chance to become better.
That's how fluent English begins. Leo, there's one more simple trick that can help every learner.
What is it, Lucy?
Use a timer.
A timer?
Yes, set it for 10 minutes.
Then speak English until the timer stops?
Exactly.
No checking my phone?
No distractions, just focus on speaking.
Why is a timer so effective?
Because it helps you stay focused.
10 minutes feels easy.
That's the idea.
Anyone can find 10 minutes.
And those 10 minutes can change your English.
Small time, big results.
Here's another helpful tip.
I'm listening.
Practice at the same time every day.
Why is that important?
Because your brain loves routines.
So it becomes a habit.
Exactly.
The easier the habit, the longer it lasts. Lucy, I don't always feel motivated.
That's completely normal.
Then how can I keep practicing?
Don't depend on motivation.
Then what should I depend on?
Discipline.
Even on days when I don't feel like practicing?
Especially on those days.
So, successful learners don't wait for motivation?
No, they create a routine.
They practice whether they feel excited or not.
Exactly.
That's what builds confidence.
And that's what creates real progress. Leo, imagine yourself 6 months from now.
I can speak English more confidently.
How did that happen?
I practiced every single day.
Not for hours.
Just 10 focused minutes.
One day at a time.
One conversation at a time. Lucy, before we finish, what's the biggest lesson from today's conversation?
Don't wait for the perfect moment.
Start with the English you already know.
Speak every day.
Keep your sentences simple.
Learn from your mistakes.
Stay consistent.
Because fluency doesn't come from waiting.
Comes from daily practice.
Leo, we've shared many useful ideas today.
Yes, Lucy. Let's review them together.
First, stop waiting.
Second, speak every day.
Third, talk to yourself.
Fourth, use the mirror trick.
Fifth, listen and repeat.
And finally, stay consistent. Lucy, do you think one small decision can change everything?
Absolutely.
Which decision?
The decision to start today.
Not tomorrow.
No.
Not when my English is perfect.
No.
Just start with what you know.
Leo, many learners don't believe in themselves.
That's true.
But every fluent speaker started as a beginner.
Nobody is born speaking English.
Everyone learns one word.
One sentence.
And one conversation at a time.
So believe in yourself.
Before we finish, we have a challenge for you.
Simple but powerful.
Today, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Speak only in English.
Describe your room.
Talk about your daily routine.
Or tell a short story.
Just don't stop speaking until the timer ends.
Remember, fluency is a journey.
Every small step brings you closer to your goal.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Learn from them.
Don't wait for the perfect moment.
Create the perfect moment by starting today.
We believe in you.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and keep improving every single day.
Thank you for joining us today. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in our next English lesson. Goodbye.